In this quick video, I will tell you how to summarize a YouTube video or longer YouTube video in just one click. So hey guys, my name is Raman and welcome to Webby Digital channel. And in this quick video, I will tell you to how you can use Chatgpt technology to summarize your YouTube video. Yes. So what you can do is you just go and follow the link in the description box, which will redirect you to this page, which is YouTube summary with the Chatgpt. And afterwards, you need to add this to your Chrome. Just add extension, and after that you need to check this particular extension icon, and here it is a YouTube summary with Chatgpt. Just click on that particular pin and it will pin that icon to your browser tab. And now we are moving forward to a video. Okay, so this particular video that interests me, right, it's about why a Russian coup is impossible, and there it is about the transaction and summary, and this is the section where you will be able to get your transcript and obviously the summary of it. And if you just drag this down, it will start creating the summary of it, and there you go. So it will tell you each and every pointers on the videos that should be there, or I would say the main keywords that the video is talking about. So you will be able to just read these out, and if you don't have much time to spend around 20 minutes to watch the video, you can easily get the summary of the video in the text form. So that's how you can easily get the summary of your YouTube videos. So that's about it. Just play with it and see if you think this will work for you. So I've already done the content summarizer part, which you can find in the link in the description box or in the end credits. So that's about it. If you have liked this quick video, just click on the like button, and if you want to see much more content like this, you can subscribe to this channel. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.